So next we can see the difference equation problem. Find the total response of the system given by the equation. So what is the equation means? Y of n minus 1.5 y of n minus 1 plus 0.5 y of n minus 2 is equal to x of n. With the condition y of minus 1 is equal to 1 and y of minus 2 is equal to 0. And with the input x of n is equal to 2 power n u of n. Okay. So it is the difference equation question. Okay. So here you want to find the total response. So I said you, what do you mean by total response? It is the addition of natural response and the forced response. So what do you mean by natural response? That is the zero input response. Okay. That is the input value is equal to 0. X of n is equal to 0. Okay. So now in order to find the natural response, first you want to replace all y of n value to yn. Okay, y value as yn and equate x of n is equal to 0 because it's a zero input response. And now you want to assume a homogeneous solution, that is yn of n is equal to lambda power n. So it is the solution. Okay. So in order to find y of n minus 1, you want to replace n as n minus 1. N minus 2 means you want to replace n as n minus 2. So you will get this solution value. Okay. So now we have substitute in the place of yn of n, substitute lambda n. In the place of yn of n minus 1, substitute lambda power n minus 1. In the place of yn of n minus 2, substitute lambda power n minus 2. Okay. So substitute all the values, okay, in the given difference equation. Then you will get the value in this form. So now from this term, take lambda power n minus 2 as common. Okay. So if you take lambda power n minus 2 as common, so what will be the first term? Lambda square, because a power m into a power n is a power m plus n. So, this ரெண்டு add பண்ணும்போது எனக்கு lambda power n கிடைச்சிரும். So, here inside the remaining value is lambda square. Here the remaining value is lambda power 1. Here lambda power 0. Okay, that is 1. Okay. So, now the equation is lambda square minus 1.5 lambda plus 0.5. So, now this value is equal to 0 and it is a characteristic equation. So now we have get two distinct root. Two distinct root vandishna enna mari solution irukkum namakku. We see in the previous video we have seen the difference equation with the three different cases for distinct root, for repeated roots and for complex roots. Okay, so it is two different roots. So the solution is c1 into a power n plus c2 into b power n. So the value is this one, c1 into 1 power n plus c2 into 0.5 power n. So now forced response is the given forced response. What is the value? Y of n minus 1.5 yn of n minus 1 plus 0.5 yn of n minus 2 is equal to x of n. So now in order to find the particular solution, replace all y of n value by yp. Okay, so the natural response complete ஆயிடுச்சு. Next we want to find the forced response. So forced response find பண்ணனும்னா என்ன தேவை? Particular solution find பண்ணணும். So in order to find the particular solution, in the question replaced all y as yp. Okay. So in the question they have given x of n value as 2 power n u of n. So it is in the form. So in particular solution, we have seen that if the input signal is a into alpha power n, correct? Okay, that is a into alpha power n means what will be the particular solution? K into alpha power n. So here the value is 2 power n. Okay, that is the value a1 alpha power n. Okay, so 2 power n. So what will be the particular solution? K into 2 power n into u of n. Okay, k into 2 power n u of n. So the particular solution for n minus 1 is k into 2 power n minus 1. N minus 2 is k into 2 power n minus 1. So substitute all the value in the given equation. And now take 2 power n common from this term and this term. So cancel the value. From this you can find the value of k. Okay, so simplify this value, take the LCM and find the value of k. You got 2.67. Okay, 2.67. So now particular solution is k into 2 power n. So we have find the value of k. So substitute the value, that is 2.67 into 2 power n. So what is the total response? Natural response plus forced response. So you got the natural response. Okay, and forced response value. So it is the natural response, forced responses. Now we want to find C1 and C2. In order to find C1 and C2, in the question they have given the initial condition y of minus 1 is equal to 1 and y of minus 2 is equal to 0. So now in the given value, substitute n is equal to -1. So if you substitute, you get the equation in this form. And next substitute -2, n is equal to -2 means in this equation substitute n is equal to -1, and next in this equation substitute n is equal to -2. So you get two equation in terms of C1 and C2. ஸோ ரெண்டு equation C1 C2ல கிடச்சுன்னா ஈஸியாக என்ன பண்ணிடலாம், நம்ம சால்வ் பண்ணிடலாம். ஓகே, ஸோ now change the signs, plus sign change to minus, okay, positive sign change to minus, so cancel this value, so you will get -2C2 plus 0.6675 is equal to 1. So now from this you can find C2. If you know C2 value, you can easily find C1 by, you have two equations, so substitute the C2 value in any one of the equation and then you can easily find the value of C1. Okay. So now we got C1 and C2 and substitute in the answer, that is the total response answer, and find the value. Okay, so y of n is equal to -0.015 minus 0.16, 0.05 the whole power n, 2.672 power n. Okay, and you can see another one problem. Find the total response of the system given by the equation y of n minus y of n minus 1 plus 1/4 y of n minus 2 is equal to x of n. With the condition y of minus n is equal to 2 and y of minus 2 is equal to 4, with the input x of n is equal to 2 into 1 power 8 the whole power n u of n. Okay, so now, so what is the first step? You want to find the natural response. Okay, you want to find the natural response. So in order to find the natural response, first write the given equation. Okay, and now here replace all y by yn and equate input value, that is x of n is equal to 0. So now next you want to assume the homogeneous solution, yn of n is equal to lambda power n. So yn of n minus 1 is lambda power n minus 1. n minus 2 is lambda power n minus 2. So substitute all the value and you will get one equation form. Okay, so characteristic equation. So factorize it, you will get two repeated roots. So repeated root means the solution will be varied. So what will be the solution? C1 into 0.5 the whole power n plus C2 into 0.5 the whole power n. Sorry, for repeated root, this is not the solution, this is for distinct root. So for repeated root, what is the solution? C1 plus C2 of n. Okay, so what will be the solution? Yn of n is equal to C1, okay, C1 plus C2 of n into 0.5 the whole power n. Okay, so it is the solution. So and the case values, okay, that's the second. For repeated root, the value for the general solution for the given equation is C1 plus C2 of n 0.5 the whole power n. Okay, and next you want to find the value of the forced response. So how will you find forced response? You want to replace all y value to particular solution value, that is yp, then you will get this value. And now x of n value is with each form 2 into that is k into alpha power n. Okay, k into alpha power n, same thing, a into alpha power n, a into alpha power n formula then eppadi maathrom nama, k into alpha power n. So here k into 1/8 power n, and now you want to find the value of k. So replace k into 1 in the question, replace yp of n irukkathula k into 1/8 the whole power n, yp of n minus 1 irukkathula k into 1/8 whole power n minus 1, yp of n minus 2 irukkathula k into 1/8 the whole power n minus 2. So replace all the value and simplify and next find the value of k. Okay, so you will get the value k as this form. And we get the value of k. So total response is natural plus forced response. So add both the value here also. Rearrange this C1 plus C2 of n into C2 of n into 0.5 the whole power n. Okay, so the solution, and here this value is a particular solution, and in the question they have given the so they have given the that is the they have given value y of minus 1 initial value, y of minus 1 is equal to 2 and y of minus 2 is equal to 4. So substitute all the values and find the value of C1 and C2. So with this initial condition, substitute here n is equal to minus 1 and you will get one equation, and n is equal to minus 2, you will get another equation. Okay, you will get another equation and solve these two equations and find the value of C1, C2 and substitute in this total response. Okay, so it is our final answer.